In early October, we had the chance to explore the Galaxy S24 Ultra running One UI 7.0 at the Samsung Developer Conference, SDC, in the US. Recently, a YouTuber also obtained an engineering sample of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with Android 15 and One UI 7.0 and shared a high-definition video showcasing its updates and enhancements. This leak is quite unexpected, and the video seems to have initially gone unnoticed. Posted on October 22, it received under 46,000 views within 3 days, though that will likely change now as several media outlets have covered it. We anticipate Samsung will soon take action to remove it by filing a copyright claim. And before the beta program launches, they likely wouldn't have showcased the Galaxy S24 Ultra with One UI 7 so openly at SDC. Nonetheless, we've taken screenshots of key parts of the video in case it gets removed. Unfortunately, much of what's shown has already been captured on camera a few times before today. It might feel like we're repeating ourselves, but there's no denying that One UI 7.0 is set to be a monumental update for Galaxy devices. In fact, it's such a significant upgrade that, for the first time since the launch of One UI in 2018, Samsung will release the latest version in the same year as the new Android version it's built on. Although the public beta testing for One UI 7.0 will open sometime this year, Samsung has already announced during its developer conference that the stable version will launch alongside the Galaxy S25 series. Since that announcement, development on the new software has gained significant momentum. We've learned that the icons for stock Samsung apps have recently undergone changes, and now a short video provides visual confirmation of this. The video showcases an updated version of the icon for the Gallery app, which comes preloaded on Galaxy devices. While nearly all stock apps are anticipated to receive refreshed icons, not all of the new designs have been well received by fans. For example, the initial version of One UI 7.0's Gallery app icon was criticized for being overly colorful. We had the opportunity to preview a device running One UI 7 at SDC 2024, where we shared exclusive video content highlighting some of the significant updates. However, the software appears to be evolving quickly, and according to our sources, many elements have already changed since that footage was recorded. During the conference, Samsung briefly discussed One UI 7, confirming that a major redesign is in progress for its custom Android interface. Given the scale of these changes, it's understandable why the company has delayed the release despite traditionally rolling out new One UI versions by the end of the year. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.